Hey, Scout!
Oh, hi there, Gumboot kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on!
When you're a Gumboot kid.
Hi, Gumboot kids. I was just admiring my teapot. It belonged to my great-grandmother. I often wonder just how old it is. That reminds me, today when I was out walking, I came upon something extraordinary. A wooden timekeeper. What was this wooden timekeeper? Well, that's today's nature mystery, the case of the wooden timekeeper. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Woods!
I love walking in the woods.
Wouldn't you know it, Gumboot kids? You found the woods. Clue number 2.
Stump!
Hey, over here.
Check it out. That's a tree stump.
That clue didn't stump you, Gumboot kids. Clue number 3.
Rings!
Look closer, Gumboot kids.
This tree stump has rings.
Well done, nature detectives. Now let's connect the clues to solve the mystery. You found the woods, a tree stump with rings. But where's this wooden timekeeper? Try counting the rings.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Each ring equals 1 year of a tree's life. Tree rings grow under a tree's bark, pushing out the bark while the tree is growing. You can tell how old a tree is by the number of rings it has.
It looks like the tree's about 46 years old.
Tree rings are the wooden timekeeper.
We did it! Case closed! Yay!
Way to go! Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. Trees are an important part of our world. Lucky for us, they live for many years, helping keep our air clean and our ecosystem healthy. Can you pretend to be like a tree? Stand tall with your feet firmly rooted in the ground. Stretch your arms up to the sky like branches and breathe deeply.
Oh, I never met a tree I didn't like. Do-do-do-do-do. Every tree I meet, I call a friend. Do-do-do-do-do. I never met a tree I didn't love. Do-do-do-do-do. From the roots to the trunk to the bark to the branch to the twig to the leaves to the top of the tree. Swaying in the breeze. Every tree is part of my family. Do-do-do-do-do. Every tree tells a story. Do-do-do-do-do. Every tree I see teaches me. Do-do-do-do-do. From the roots to the trunk to the bark to the branch to the twig to the leaves to the top of the tree.
I'm not sure exactly how old this teapot is, but one thing I do know, it makes wonderful tea. I plan to enjoy it for many years to come. See you next time, Gumboot kids.
Good night, Scouts!
Oh, I never met a tree I didn't like. Do-do-do-do-do. Every tree I meet, I call a friend. Do-do-do-do-do. I never met a tree I didn't love. Do-do-do-do-do. From the roots to the trunk to the bark to the branch to the twigs to the leaves to the top of the tree.